Welcome to our guide on how to change the font size on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open x.com in your web browser to access Twitter. In the left menu panel, locate and click on the More option to reveal additional settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Display option to access display customization settings. Within the font size bar section, you can adjust the font size to your preference by selecting from the available size options. Once you've chosen the font size that suits you best, simply click on Done to save and apply the changes to your font settings. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize the font size on Twitter to make your reading experience more comfortable and tailored to your liking. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to change the font size on Twitter. Using your PC, explore these steps to personalize your Twitter interface and make text easier to read based on your preferences.